Do you have a steel framed underfloor and have been wondering how to insulate it? Steel frame floors transfer the cold through your feet all the way up to your knees. This is particularly troublesome for anyone who really feels the cold. EcoMaster has been installing insulation under timber floors for nearly 20 years. So when we were asked to provide a solution for steel frame floors, the challenge was to come up with a solution that would be just as effective as what we were already doing. We're now delighted to launch Joisties. Joisties have been designed to be DIY friendly and easy to install. So what does it look like when it's done? Of course, it's one of the highest rated underfloor insulation solutions. Complies with fire regulations, is rodent resistant and is not damaged by water. It's people friendly, it's not itchy, and it lasts and lasts. Best of all, it's really simple to install. So if you want to make your home the most comfortable place on earth, go to www.ecomasterstore.com.au and search for Joisties.